Hello everyone, welcome back to Tech TV and another easy to follow tutorial on AliExpress. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to sign up for AliExpress. So please make sure to watch till the end. Subscribe to our channel Tech TV and ring the notification bell so that you'll get notified on our next interesting upload. So let's get on with it. At first, open the web browser on your device and go to aliexpress.com. Here, hover over Account and tap Join. You can now easily sign up with Google. So just choose your Google account. And that's how you sign up for AliExpress. If you liked the video, please leave a like and let me know if you thought it was helpful in the comment section down below. Thank you for watching and I'll be back with more interesting tutorials soon. Until next time.